like to give my highest appreciation. This festival, from year to year, become more and more prestigious and become more and more well known to the whole world.
I have a really wonderful team that make this happen each year.
Excellency, the head of region of Kenya.
We are now recovering from one of the most serious
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, ma'am.
$1 turanda.
Actually, the first thing that struck me was the title, Writers and Readers. I mean, the readers, the presence of the readers as an important part of the festival.
untuk memajukan sastra yang harmonis.
The writer and the reader, they never met. The writer is someone in a tiny room writing his book, and the reader may be at the other side of the town, and they never met.
Menurut saya yang paling bagus adalah pembaca juga berbicara, bukan hanya bertanya. Jadi selain penulis ya, dipertemukan loh antara yang sangat dikenal dengan yang sangat tidak dikenal.
And I was wondering if it's still...
I have been working in contemporary times with global warming.
I think the theme of this year's festival, the themes of Sukha and Dukkha, are very important. And it's a wonderful idea to build a movement around for us to
The program is going to move into the...
This year we chose Sukha Dukkha, which again we tend to use a Balinese or Indonesian theme. And of course, Sukha Dukkha is that idea of togetherness, you know, together we share in your sadness, together we share in your happiness. So, and then we translate that to compassion and solidarity, which we felt is really appropriate for these times.
Treated compassionate, and I think also that societies, when there are boss, there's always a section, for...
Well, I think the fact that there's a lot of local writers, I think, is really good, because it's good for Indonesia, it's good for Asia. You know, they're not writers that get a lot of publicity in general, certainly not in Australia. So it's interesting to see that there is that sort of thriving literary culture in Asia.
Activism and things like that. But there are people who are sort of, still a long way from here.
Di sini Ubud Reader mencoba untuk tetap memperhatikan sastra yang sangat ideal. Itu adalah salah satu hal yang menarik, dan belakangan ini sudah tidak banyak orang yang memperhatikan sastra.
Menyenangkan dan menggairahkan. Di satu sisi energinya dengan cara pembahasan yang berbeda-beda. Kita ada kesamaan semangat mengenai menulis itu sendiri dan mengenai sastra Indonesia.
Age 12 in Michael High School where they go up Shaw Market thing.
I said, where did you live?
We are here to testify to the world that Rendra as a man has passed away.
Bagai ikan hitam yang menggapar dalam jalan, jumpalitan dan sia-sia, marah terhina dan sia-sia.
Ubud is a wonderful festival because it's small and intimate, and you get to meet a lot of the other writers personally and have coffee with them and have a drink.
whereas this feels a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more entertaining, a little bit more fun.
Ijo melalui nenek. Melalui kau bodoh.
Well, I've learned about lots of things about the lion puppet making.
Ya asik sambil bercanda belajar itu, menambah wawasan.
Yeah, that did deserve a 2. 7. If you scribble the word fruit. 6.5.
A tall, thin man came to my door.
And it's, I guess, the atmosphere and the buzz of a festival, which I love, where people come together, they're talking about ideas, they're engaged, they're curious.
So when I was around 19 years old, somebody asked me, would you like to follow the Grateful Dead? And I said, yes.
This is a nice one where it's just nice and amazing. Dan mudah-mudahan kita bisa pergi dalam membentuk Iqmal juga merupakan.
But I think Ubud is really the heart of Bali, in the sense, the heart of the culture. So from that point of view, I think Ubud is just the right place to host the festival.
But do not contain the anthology in my view. There are secret keepers.
Kalau di Bali itu ada namanya lawar pademare ya. Ada merah, ada putih, ada hijau, segala macam itu dimasukin dalam acara ini. Jadi sebetulnya apapun selera Anda jika datang ke sini itu terpenuhi.
Well, you know, the writers themselves call it the festival with a heart. I think because it's all done with loving hands as such, and you're in a very friendly community, and there's no emphasis on selling books or making money or whatever. It's more about a cross-cultural exchange. It's more just about getting people together who care.
You shall once like the wind, turning on from time to time.
Bien.
Perfect for a festival.
No, thank you. I'll stay here. I'll wait for him. He'll be here.
Because every little thing is gonna be alright. So why worry? Look at me, I don't worry. Don't worry about a thing. Because every little thing is gonna be alright.
Saya berharap bahwa ini akan menjadi aset sastrawan Indonesia.
So I hope it's a good experience for the festival goers and for readers. I mean, it's certainly a celebration of writing in all its different forms.
I hope that next year that the festival will be able to continue. They need a lot of support, though. It's expensive to put on a festival like this, and they need more corporate support. They need more support from cultural organizations and from individuals.
Ini unik satu-satunya, ini Janet, ini istimewa.
Firstly,